Is that good? You enjoying your blueberry popsicle that Mommy made? Mmm. Mmm. Wow, you have a blueberry mustache. Or a blueberry beard. Hmm? Mmm.
They call you Bluebeard.
Yeah, Bluebeard. I like that. Oh, are you gonna make a mess? Sure look like it. Okay, eat it. Don't do that, please. Don't play with your food. You eat it, okay? Put it in your mouth. Yeah, okay, eat it. It's cold, right? That a boy.